Welcome back to Bengaluru Post. Today, we are bringing you the latest update on the Blue Line's Package 2, a crucial stretch from Kempapura to Bagalur Cross. Spanning 11.67 kilometers, this package covers 5 key stations: Hebbal, Kodigehalli, Jakkur Cross, Yelhanka, and Bagalur Cross, with an additional 250-meter pocket track. The contract for this section was awarded in November 2021, with a deadline set for December 2024. But how far has the work progressed? Let's find out. Between Kempapura and Hebbal, progress has been slower than expected, largely due to heavy traffic and multiple projects around the Hebbal flyover by the BDA. This area is crucial for the line's success, but work continues at a snail's pace. Adding to the delays, the stretch from Hebbal to ST Mall is also moving slowly due to traffic disruptions. Here, progress is mainly limited to foundational work, with stations and other structures still pending. Between ST Mall and Kodigehalli, U-girders have been partially placed, but station-related beams and girders are yet to be constructed. This stretch faces challenges but shows signs of gradual progress. From Kodigehalli to Jakkur Cross, the story is similar. U-girders are partly placed, and pillar construction is underway. However, traffic bottlenecks at Jakkur Signal and Bitarayanpura continue to slow things down. On a brighter note, work from Jakkur to Yelhanka is progressing quickly, with a railway crossing being prepared for OWG placement soon. Yelhanka station construction is also moving steadily, showing promising signs. At Kogilu Cross, heavy traffic has been a major roadblock, causing slow progress. Interestingly, Bagalur Cross stands out as one of the few areas where work is more than satisfactory. Meanwhile, near Chikajla and the IAF station in Yelhanka, restrictions on working hours imposed by defense authorities have slowed down civil works. This section is critical, as the metro alignment shifts to road level here. Despite these challenges, Namma Metro officials are optimistic about opening the airport-Hebbal stretch by December 2026. With steady progress in both Package 2 and Package 3, this goal seems achievable. BEML is expected to begin delivering metro coaches by mid to late 2025. However, significant work like track laying, signaling, and station finishing remains before the line can be fully operational. Lastly, interchange challenges at Kempapura and Hebbal continue to be a concern, where the ORA line, Sarjapura line, and airport line converge. This complexity could potentially impact timelines further. While there are still hurdles to cross, progress on the Blue Line shows promise. Stay tuned to Bengaluru Post for regular updates on this and all things metro.